The project name is Windmill Electricity. It has a windmill which is connected to a motor or generator, and this is powered by an LED. Now, construction. Take a flat piece of cardboard, make it into a square piece, and gum the borders with some color paper. Prepare a house with cardboard. The window is to be covered with a slightly non-transparent sheet. Attach the LED to the window so that people from outside are able to see the light. This is how the motor is attached to the windmill. The inside you can see a motor. Now connect the battery and you can place the battery inside the house. Now you can see the light is glowing and the windmill is rotating. This project demonstrates the working of a windmill and the generation of the electricity, which is in turn powers the home lighting, is demonstrated in this project. The precautions. Just connect the battery when it is required. Rest of the time remove the battery, or else the battery will get drained and you will not be able to demo further. You can purchase this project online from Smart Technologies. The link is given below. It is made from locally available material in such a manner as if it looks like a student made, not a purchased one.